Two standout AI platforms, each mastering a different frontier in 2025. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Claude, your thoughtful AI partner for conversations, coding, and secure enterprise work. And on the right, PlayHT, the leader in lifelike audio, custom voice cloning, and scalable sound. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me lay out our battle plan. I pulled up a mind map just so you can see exactly what we're comparing today. And we are covering pretty much everything you care about: core functionality, best use case, pricing and plans, language and voices, integrations and API, safety and trust, and trust me, some of these categories swing hard in one direction. So first off, core functionality. With Claude, you get this seriously advanced AI brain for conversations, coding, document summarizing, and I'm not even exaggerating, the context window is gigantic. Like, bring your whole ebook and it doesn't break a sweat. But here's the catch: it's all text, no audio, no voice. So if you want your AI to talk, sorry, not happening. Now, PlayHT, it's a totally different vibe. PlayHT gives you over 800 super realistic voices in more languages than I can count. You can clone a voice from a sample, like, say, a few lines, and boom, your new digital clone's ready for podcasts, videos, whatever. But if you want intelligent Q&A or to code with your AI, PlayHT's gonna let you down. Honestly, they both absolutely nail what they do, so this one feels pretty even. Pivoting into best use case, Claude leans hard into enterprise stuff. Legal teams, researchers, educators, they love it for analyzing, summarizing, and just having safe, reliable AI for heavy-duty workloads. Oh, and coders? It's like having an intern who never gets tired. But again, no voice output, so you're stuck with text. PlayHT is where it gets wild. Need voiceovers for a YouTube video, podcasts, audiobooks, even interactive apps and IVR systems for businesses? Yep. All in PlayHT's wheelhouse. Want to chat with an AI, though? Back and forth and get smart insights? Yeah, no, PlayHT's not that. So, point is, both score big in their own lanes. I honestly can't give this round to either. Now, pricing and plans. Okay, so Claude does have a free tier, but if you're an enterprise or just want that juicy top-level access, like Opus, you're going to have to cough up some serious cash. Honestly, the paywalls creep in pretty fast. PlayHT, though, I kind of appreciate how flexible it is. You get pay-as-you-go, you can actually try demos for free, and plans fit all kinds of budgets. But yeah, if you want those cloned voices and premium voices, the free stuff stops short. Still, between the two, PlayHT has the better bang for your buck. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. PlayHT can actually whip up a custom AI voice for your brand, literally in minutes. Like, imagine your business having its own voice assistant, tailored to your vibe. That's honestly kind of wild. Okay, so language and voices. Claude? Sure, it can handle a bunch of languages for text. Multilingual, global, all good. But zero voices, zero audio. If you want the AI to speak, sorry, you gotta look elsewhere. PlayHT, though, oh man, over 140 languages and accents. Plus, you can create custom voices. It's kind of mind-blowing. So, if you want voice in pretty much any accent, PlayHT is your move. Easy win for PlayHT on this one. On integrations and API, here's where Claude shows its age a bit. You can hook into their APIs for generating text and doing document stuff, and there are some integrations, but it's kind of limited compared to, say, OpenAI. No audio API for sure, but PlayHT, they've got REST API, Dev SDKs, Zapier, AWS Lambda, you name it, and direct audio file APIs. So you can plug this into like anything. No plugin chat stuff yet, but still, PlayHT pretty much runs away with this category. Safety and trust. I mean, if you want an AI you can actually trust to behave, Claude is king here. They use constitutional AI, which means it's basically built to be ethical, safe, and it's huge with regulated industries like healthcare or law. Sometimes it's almost too cautious, honestly. PlayHT is GDPR compliant and does make privacy clear, but let's not pretend there aren't questions with voice cloning. What if someone clones your voice and does something sketchy? It's cool tech, but comes with a side eye. So in terms of who you'd trust with sensitive stuff, Claude's the clear favorite.
So let's take a breather and peek at the radar chart. Here, you can pretty much see who's owning which categories at a glance. PlayHT really stands out with language, voices, and integrations, but Claude just dominates when it comes to safety and smart text. It's a visual smackdown. You know what? At the end of the day, it comes down to what you need. If your world is all about deep AI chats, coding, and keeping things super safe, Claude is kind of unbeatable. But if you want your AI to actually talk, sound natural, and go nuts with voiceovers, PlayHT's way more fun. So it's not about one being better. It's about what works for you.
If you enjoyed this little AI face-off, go check out Claude or PlayHT yourself and see which one gives your workflow that perfect boost.